Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by enabling Windows Subsystem for Linux so Ubuntu can run natively. Open PowerShell as admin and run WSL install to enable WSL and install default distro. This automates virtual machine platform, but make sure to restart when prompted. Once done, open Microsoft Store if you prefer a specific Ubuntu version and install it. You do this now because a proper WSL layer avoids dual boot complexity and gives full terminal features inside Windows. When Ubuntu launches, you create a Linux username and password. This gives you sudo access for installs. Next, run sudo apt update and sudo apt upgrade y to sync packages. This prevents broken dependencies later. Once updated, install essentials like sudo apt install y build essential curl git so you can compile, fetch scripts, and manage repos. These steps configure a usable environment. Make sure to confirm prompts and wait for upgrades to finish before installing development tools. To finish, integrate Ubuntu into Windows Terminal by adding a profile so you get tabs, themes, and keyboard shortcuts. This streamlines daily use. Access your Windows files through /mnt/c and set your default directory with WSL. Conf or Windows Terminal settings so workflows match. If something breaks, run WSL update to refresh the kernel or WSL unregister distro and reinstall the distro. Use these troubleshooting commands only when necessary because unregister deletes user data. Back up before you remove a distro.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.